Hi, I'm Justin Conway. Today I'm going to show you how to display a multiple choice test in Microsoft Excel. I'll give you one example, and then obviously it's just repeating the one example for creating multiple different questions. So for our first question, what we want to do is click on the Developer tab up at the top here. Click on Developer tab, and then within that tab, or within the ribbon I should say, there's a button that says Group Box. Click the Group Box and drag that across the cells where you'd like to have your first question live. Type in there, and then if you'd like to change this text in here, you'll just double click on it. And sometimes it's temperamental. Sometimes you need to click around a little bit in order to get in there. And as you can see, it kind of still displays the text a little bit, but don't worry about it. It's going to disappear. We'll call this question 1. And just click out of it, and you can see it's renamed there. Next thing we want to do is actually put the question into this area. So you can either just click in a box and type something. Let's do, what is your favorite color? Oops, color. Okay. So now our question's populated in the box, and obviously you can format this how you want and change where the question appears, center it how you'd like, but want to cover the basics of getting the question set up. So the next thing to do is add a radio button right up here. Going to click on radio button and just select inside a cell, and again you can manipulate this where you want. And let's say we're going to have 3 different choices for this one, so let's do that a couple more times, and now we have 3 radio buttons. Again, as with the other as with the box itself, if you right-click on this radio button that you just created, you will have the option to sort of select it, and then you can select text from within and change this to an option. So that'll be blue. We'll click on this one, and we'll make this red. And click on this one and make this, I don't know, green. And then the last thing is you want to select one of your choices here, and then go into Format Control. And we want to make sure that in Control we have the cell link selected, because this is going to populate the information that you select into another cell. So you would just simply select there, select another cell, and we'll make it E2, and enter, OK. So now the choice, as you can see, is populating in this other cell. And keep your results separate for scoring purposes. So that's how to display a multiple choice test in Microsoft Excel. I'm Justin Conway. I hope you enjoyed.